Chapter 56 Late to Class. Our character is an old man. He always wants to know the modern subject. Although he becomes aged, he never skips at his learning. Now he attends the MBA class and he is late to go to class. Now it is 11 o'clock. It is rather late to attend to school. So he hurries to the class. He drops his books on the road. He picks up the books. And then he goes again. When he reaches the class, he stops. He listens to what the teacher says. Then he opens the door. He tiptoes into the class. But all of the people in the class turned and looked at him. He blushes. He drops his book again. He says he is late and came here to get in time. The teacher smiles and says, "It doesn't matter." The old man sits down on the chair. Finally, he wipes his sweat and sighs heavily.